Gates open, they're up and racing. Silver Glides draws for your lead. Dreaming again, right behind in second. Winning Hand moving up party outside. Running by the rail, Don Ezekiel. Buko Juice running in between runners. Then followed by Reality Show. Intramuros comes next. Then followed by Cool Reception by the rail, Purely Cali. While Santiago is running at the tail of the field, rounding at the last 600. Now we have Winning Hand takes the lead, running in second by the rail. Buko Juice running on the outside. Silver Glides Dreaming again is running on the outside fourth as they round at the last 450. Winning Hand still leading the field. Dreaming again moving up to take second. In between runners, Silver Glides, Buko Juice down on the inside, and down the stretch they come. Winning Hand this time by about 2 lengths. Dreaming again in between runners comes Buko Juice. We have Winning Hand, Buko Juice, Dreaming again is on the outside. Winning Hand, Buko Juice, Dreaming again. Buko Juice doing the better, winning this race over Dreaming again. Winning Hand, then comes Silver Glides and Intramuros for your Pentafecta.
Buko Juice. Unang tumingin sa linya, mukha